Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a presentation on PowerPoint. There are 5 parts. First is theme selection, second is slide size, third is inserting slides, and fourth is changing colors, themes and changing background. So let's move into the first part by launching PowerPoint and create your presentation file. When you launch PowerPoint, you are going to see a screen similar to this one. Which option for theme? Okay. Here you will make a decision whether you are going to create your own theme or use one of them theme already given in the options. Our encouragement for you that use theme that are already available. These themes are developed by quality designers. If you want to create new theme, please understand it will take a lot of time and extra efforts in order to reach your desired goal. So we are going to select one of them is gallery. See, there are light and dark background themes, so we are going to select this light and click on create. Yes. Now we are in our slide create, and second option was size of slide. Now before we get to slide creation, we need to decide the size of your slide. For that, go to the design part of PowerPoint. Look, slide size. There are two options, standard and widescreen. If you are going to make your presentation on PowerPoint projector, you should select standard. And if you are going to make your presentation on an LCD, you should select widescreen. So here we will select standard because we are going to make our presentation on PowerPoint. Here is the point in show fit. Click here. Check the size of the slide. Now third point was adding slides. If you want to add new slide, mostly people click on new slide button, but we want to click on the button below this new slide. There are number of slides like title, content, comparison, content with caption and so on. This save your time. You can select anyone. Okay, like this, and move on. 4 point, that was changing themes and color. Go to the design part of the PowerPoint. Look, there are number of different themes, light and dark. We normally encourage to select light background because it is easily to read content on slide. When you select the slide that has dark background, it is more suitable when there is dark screen around the projector screen or actually on an LCD screen. So like this, but we encourage to select light background like this one, because psychologically light background have an uplifting effect on viewers. So that's reason we are going to select white theme. Look, we can write anything here. What is your name? Okay. Last part was changing background. Click on the area, free area here like this, and click on format background. Now there are many options. Click on Click on pictures or textures, background format, background hint graph, format, Okay, from a file, take picture like this. This is your light background. Thank you so much for watching.